Bidwell Electrics are a commercial and domestic electrician. We do a lot of work on the rail, upgrading the lighting and the platforms, and we're also the Victorian installer for big ass fans, which we're doing here today. So we first saw Duralift on site with Duke on maintenance, and we got a price list off Ellie from the office. That was back about 5 years ago now, and I think at the moment we're using them twice weekly. Never any hassles with that, it's brilliant. So given that we're doing fan installations in gyms this size, we're going to sometimes need to get up to 5-6 metres high. Basically, once we get our purchase order, we email Harriet in the office, tell her our requirements, and she gives us 2-3 options. We tell her when we need it, what time we need it, and it's always there waiting for us. It's perfect. The thing that Bidwell Electrics like about Duralift, it's a family business. Once you speak to one person, they tell everyone in the office, and you've got a problem, it's solved within 10-15 minutes. You've got a solution to give to the customer. Customer service is second to none in our opinion. Real happy with it. Anyone that ever asks us for a supplier for an EWP, a boom lift, scissor lift, we always recommend Duralift because the reliability is just perfect.